Hey, how's it going guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teaching you about branching in Git. So what branching is, like many guys working on the same project, and in the end you want to end up with a one single project. So what happens is you can't conform by then, so you can't have their control pure access to the master branch, and where will be the master branch, that kind of problem arises. So how are you gonna fix that? So this is where branching comes in. So if we go to our terminal and type git log one line, and you can see these are our comments up to until now. But what branching does is, the parallel to this comments there are other comments what a branch does, and after that you can merge the branch. We're not gonna talk in this lesson though. After this lesson we're gonna talk about that, but just after you can merge that and remove that. So that's how it does. So now you're gonna ask, hey, how I can create a branch? So pretty simple, just type git branch and the name of the branch. So branch, just I'm gonna name it like branch 1 and throw an enter, and now we created a branch. So now you're gonna say, what happened? Nothing happened. But in this branch there is no comments at all, but the files begin with this one, so that's where it comes in. So let's begin. Now we're gonna type git branch flag of A. When you type that, you can see there is a master branch and there is a branch 1. So we are in a master branch, and how we gonna go to the branch 1? Pretty simple, just type git checkout. The way we can see the old commits, the same way we can also check out our branch. So let's type git checkout branch 1, and when you type that, just throw an enter. We are now in a branch 1. And now what I'm gonna do for sake of sake of learning, I'm gonna edit some files. So here I'm gonna type touch index.js, creating a JS file, and inside that what I'm gonna do is log out a line like something like branch 1. Pretty simple stuff. Not 2 1, yeah. After that, what I'm gonna do is git add period, and it's on the staging area. And now what I'm gonna do is git commit, which is of course what everyone do after that. And here we added JS and just throw an enter. One file changed. Now you can see that we have our files here, but how we gonna, now you want to go to the master branch, and you want always, there's a good thing about that, the master branch always will be secure and stable. So just type git checkout master, and now we are back to the master branch. And as soon as we are switched to the master branch, the index file is now unsaved, unwished, and now we need to click on don't save. and we can also revert back to the master branch 1. So branch 1, see, that's how we switch lands, or we can go back and forth every time you want. We are back to the branch 1, so, I mean master. So after that, you wanna delete this branch. So how you gonna delete that? Just you need to type git branch. First, one thing, if you are merged with the master one, you need to type small d, or if you are not, if the is difference, or you can parallel to the master branch, that branch, you need to type capital D or uppercase D and branch 1, and now it's deleted. So that's how it's work. And now what I'm gonna do, if I check the git branch minus a, which of course we can see the number of branches, other branches, so you can see there is only the master, so that means there is no branch anymore. So what next? Now think about as a situation that there are two guys who are working on the same project, except for you are the master one, and the two guys are adding features, something like that. So how we gonna do that? It's pretty simple. The git branch, we need to type 2 times, and you can do that on a single go. So, and there is a shortcut to that. Just type git checkout, and if you type -b, or you can say flag of v, that means it will create a branch on the go. So now this time I'm gonna name it branch A, and we are switched to the branch A. That's how we call the checkout. That's why we call the checkout. Sorry about that. And now what I'm gonna do is touch index.js, and this time around what I'm gonna do is again log at the console branch in a string. Sorry, what the heck, I actually know what's happening. So string branch A, the name of the branch, and again git add period. This should be here because, or it won't be interesting, So yeah, there will be a space there. And what I'm gonna do, git commit again added JS, because it's basically the same thing. So, and branch B, and now we are in a branch B, and we are again what we're gonna do is we need to delete this because it's just the same thing again all over. So what I'm gonna do is go to the master branch. So about that, forgot what we did. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is delete this branch, the branch B. So you know how you can delete a branch, right? So just you need to type git, I already tell you, but yeah, git branch, after that big D if it's not paired, which in this case it's not. So big D, name of the branch, so branch -a. Yeah, I call it -a, it doesn't matter, not B. and now it's deleted. And what I'm gonna do, git checkout branch B. Now in this time, what I'm gonna do, first remove this out, that would be better, and again touch index.js and branch B. Log in on the console, branch B. That's it. And now we're gonna add that again, git period all, git commit, the same message again. Now if we go to the master branch, pretty simple, just click on that, and here we don't have this one, but we have, there's a two function in that. The branch A, it's branch A logging a console branch A, and the branch B, the B ones. And you can check all by just type in git branch -a. That's all about branching. And if you do every time, if you are following along, that would be better, because it will make your habit to adding every time and commenting every time. So in that way it will be better for you. So that's all. And in the next tutorial, what I'm gonna do is merging the branches. So hope you guys understand. See you guys then.